How to change your Reddit account to dark mode. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, if you have the Reddit app installed, head over to that. If not, you can go to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Reddit and navigate to its website. After you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to change this interface into the dark mode, what you need to do is you need to go to your Reddit profile settings. Here in this homepage, at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. It'll give you a pop-up like this. And here in the bottom, you can see this dark mode option. And right beside that, you can see the toggle icon. Currently, the dark mode is turned off. If you want to change the setting into the dark mode, you can simply tap on this toggle icon. And there you go. The whole interface has been changed into the dark mode. So that's a very easy process to activate the dark mode in Reddit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.